Sa video natin sa ngayon ay magsasagot tayo ng test, Karimin test. So, practice test kung ilan yung magiging points natin. So, 50 items na Karimin. Tingnan natin kung ilan yung masasagutan natin ng tama at kung ilan yung mali. At kung mali man, i-review natin kung ano yung mga mali natin. Okay, kasama to sa aking pagpa-practice ng test. Kasi nag-aaral ako ngayon ng driving lesson. So, isang buwan na driving lesson every hapon. Kasi may trabaho ko sa umaga and then sa hapon ako nagda-driving lesson. Okay guys, so samahan niyo ako sa video nito, sagutan natin to. Kung bago lang po kayo dito sa channel ko, ako po si Leo, isang OFW dito sa Japan. So kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na kayo, click niyo yung subscribe button, and then i-like niyo na rin yung video na to, and then i-share niyo rin po to sa iba, and then mag-comment kayo sa baba kung mayroon kayong mga katanungan or suggestions. Okay, simulan na natin yung test na to. So 30 minutes yung test. So kailangan nating bilisan kasi mayroong time limit sa pagsagot ng Karimin test na to. 50 items, 30 minutes, and then dapat makakuha tayo ng 45 points pataas or 90% na tama. Okay guys, let's go! Gambarimasyo! Okay, so pindutin natin dito. And then dito tayo sa English. Karimen Mae English. So, tapos na yung 1. So, isunod na natin yung number 2. So, ito siya. 2. And then, open. Ito yung instruction kung paano siya gamitin. So, open. So, ayan. So, meron tayong 29 minutes. Pero 30 minutes talaga yan. So, kailangan natin magsagot ng mabilisan. So, ito. Number 1. You see the flashing red light at an intersection. You must always stop at the stopping point. Okay. You must always stop at the stopping point. Red light flashing. So, I think siguro tama ako na true. So, try natin. True. True yung sagot natin. Kasi red light flashing. So, kailangan mag-stop muna. Okay, sige. True. Sana tama yung sagot natin. Okay, kayo guys, magsagot rin kayo kung ano yung sa tingin nyo na tamang sagot. Kasi yung sagot ko dito ay hindi ko sure kung tama nga ba talaga to. Okay, malalaman natin mamaya kung tama yung sagot natin sa final result. Next, question number 2. Okay, question number 2. It is not necessary to slow down near the top of a hill. So, I think true. Kasi kailangan mag-slow down doon sa pag malapit ka na sa top ng hill. So, not necessary. So, I think false. Kasi sa tingin ko need na mag-slow down na din kasi nasa top na siya ng hill. Okay, next. When you drive across the sidewalk to enter the parking lot, you do not need to stop before the sidewalk if you can confirm safety. I think kailangan mag-stop. Kasi magko-cross tayo sa sidewalk. So, kailangan pa rin mag-stop kahit alam natin na walang pedestrian. Kahit alam na natin na walang pedestrian, so need pa rin na mag-stop. Okay? When you drive across the sidewalk to enter the parking lot, you do not need to stop before the sidewalk if you can confirm. So, need na mag-stop. Mali to mali. Sa tingin ko, false ito. Okay, next. This traffic sign designates no overtaking. Actually, ito ay pwede namang mag-overtake basta't hindi magko-cross doon sa ibang linya. Okay? Hindi to no overtaking. So, false ang sagot ko. A vehicle may proceed straddling two vehicular lanes when traffic is congested. No. False. Next. When you pass near the pedestrian or bicycle, You must keep a safe distance from them and also slow down. You must keep distance, tama yon, from them and also slow down. Pero yung slow down, hindi ko sure kung kailangan po bang mag-slow down. When you pass near pedestrian, you must keep a safe distance from them and slow down. Keep distance lang, keep a safe distance, pero hindi na kailangan mag-slow down. So, I think it's false. A person who obtains only a regular driver's license may not ride a large size motorcycle or regular motorcycle. May not ride. I think true. Kasi parang sa tingin ko magkaiba yung license ng motor tsaka ng regular motor or automobile. So, iba yung kotse, iba yung motor. So kapag mayroong regular driver's license, large size, sa tingin ko false. So, false yung sagot ko. Pero malalaman natin mamaya yung result. Okay, ito na yung no overtaking. Ito, kasi mayroong nakalagay dyan, no overtaking. Oikoshi kinshi. On the road with this traffic sign, you overtake other cars if there are no oncoming vehicles and if you can confirm safety. So, false naman to. Kasi, ibig sabihin talaga nito, no overtaking. So, ito ay false. False. A driver must sound the vehicle's horn where there is traffic sign or shown in the figure, even if he or she does not observe danger. So, kailangan dito talaga mag-horn. Pag makita mo to, na sign na yan, kailangan mag-horn. So, a driver must sound the vehicle's horn. Number 10, okay, itong sign na to. This sign indicates that there are schools, kindergarten, or nursery schools close by. I think iba yung sign para doon. Kasi ito ay crosswalk. Alam ko crosswalk to, pedestrian crossing or crosswalk. This sign indicates that there are schools. Oh, false to false. For me, it's false. Okay, next. A moped must make two-step right turn at a controlled intersection where there is traffic sign as shown in the figure. So, ito daw ay dapat mag two-step yung mga moped gensuki. A moped must make a two-step right turn. Okay, so ito ay true. Okay, yung anong yan? Picture na yan. This picture of a hand signal from the rear, when the driver show his or her arm diagonally, it means that the car is slowing down or making a complete stop. Oh, tama. True. Slowing down yan. Okay, true. Number 13, automobiles and mopeds must not exceed a speed of 30 kilometers per hour on a road where there is a traffic sign as shown in the figure. So, tama. 3 kph automobiles and mopeds. Number 14, when proceeding through a railway crossing, even if one train has just passed by in one direction, there may be another train approaching from the opposite direction immediately afterward. Therefore, drivers must be sure to check the safety of the opposite direction. Therefore, must be sure. Drivers must be sure to check the safety of the opposite direction. So, it's true. Next. Number 15, ito yung picture niya. At a road with this marking in the figure, the car proceeding on lane B ito, can change its course to lane A. So, can change daw, sabi niya, yung B daw pwedeng mag-change sa lane A. Pero, hindi siya pwede. So, ito ay false. Kasi, meron tayong solid yellow line dyan. So, hindi siya pwedeng mag-cross dyan. So, kaya, ang statement na to ay can change. This is false. So, next. Overtaking is prohibited near the top of a hill or long steep downward slope. Overtaking is prohibited sa hill, top of the hill, saka steep downward. So, hindi ka pwedeng mag-overtake sa taas ng hill or sa steep downward, yung mga pababa, saka sa may sa paakyat. Okay. So, ay overtaking is prohibited. True. Next. A vehicle that has already executed a right turn at an intersection may continue to proceed even when the signal ahead turns red. So, may continue. So, kapag yun na nga, naaabutan ka ng red, tapos nandun ka na sa gitna ng crossing, intersection, so, pwede kang magtuloy. You can continue. May continue para hindi ka makaharang dun sa crossing. So, this is true. Okay, itong sign na to, traffic sign. Ibig sabihin yan, bawal yung sasakyan or kotse. Bawal yung kotse, yung regular motors. Vehicles other than regular passenger vehicles may proceed on the road where there is traffic sign, as shown in the figure. Passenger vehicles. Vehicles other than passenger vehicles. I think hindi rin pwede yung passenger vehicles. So, vehicles may proceed on the road. So, I think this is false. Kasi, bawal nga yung mga sasakyan. Yung mga regular motor vehicles. So, I think kasama din dyan yung regular passenger vehicles. So, kaya, sagot ko dito, false. Sige, try natin, false. Kayo guys, anong sagot nyo? Okay, next. So, bilis-bilisan natin kasi may time limit lang tayo dito. So, mayroon na lang tayong 18 minutes. So, number 19 na tayo. If a driver obeys the traffic regulations, he or she might not cause a traffic accident, even if he or she does not consider other situation. I think false. Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na sumusunod tayo sa traffic regulations. Eh, yung ibang nagda-drive, pwede tayo maka-aksidente or pwede tayo ma-aksidente. Tayo mabangga, tayo yung banggain, kahit hindi tayo yung makabangga, tayo yung pwedeng mabangga. So, dapat kailangan nating maingat. So, dito ay false para sa akin. Kasi kailangan nating be cautious kapag nagda-drive. So, false to false. If the driver obey traffic regulation, he or she might not cause traffic accident, even if he or she does not consider other situation. So, I think false. False. Might not cause traffic accident. Okay, next. If you are at an intersection to turn right. Naka-mirror pala yung aking video. So, turn right. If you are at an intersection to turn right, you must obstruct other oncoming vehicles going straight or turning left. No. Hindi natin pwedeng halangan yun. So, dapat false. Kasi right of way nila yun eh. Number 21, a police officer hand signal as shown in the figure has the same meaning as the yellow traffic light. Yellow traffic light, ito yung keyword. Of the traffic light, of yellow traffic light of a traffic signal for traffic proceeding in the direction of the arrows. So, ito yung mga dumadaan daw na papunta rito saka papunta rito. Ang sign daw na yan, ang gesture daw na yan ay katumbas ng yellow traffic light. Pero, that is false. Kasi, kung saan nakaharap o nakatalikod yung pulis, yun ang ibig sabihin nun ay red light. So, kaya false ito. Hindi siya yellow light. So, false. Next. You should proceed slowly when you pass the side of the car parked on or near the crosswalk. Proceed slowly. I think kailangan mag-stop, hindi lang slowly. So, I think batsu or false. Kasi ang alam ko, kailangan mag-stop muna bago mag-proceed. Okay, next. Okay, bilis-bilisan natin kasi kalahati na yung time natin. Hindi pa tayo nangangalahati sa sagot. When approaching a pedestrian crossing, vehicles are not required to slow down and may continue to proceed at the same speed as before if there are apparently no pedestrians nearby. Okay, I think true. Kasi kung dadaan ka sa pedestrian crossing tapos wala namang tao sa paligid, pwede kang mag-proceed tuloy-tuloy. Okay? Kasi wala namang tatawid. Hindi naman pwedeng lahat ng pedestrian crossing mag-slow down ka kahit walang tao. So, I think pwedeng mag-proceed. Kaya, true. When braking, a driver must first depress the brake pedal as strong as possible. Hindi, sa first hindi pwedeng strong. Dapat, mahina muna. Tapos, sunod na yung mas malakas. So, this is false. Next. Okay. Itong sign na to, yellow arrow. So, kapag yellow arrow, dapat tandaan na natin na yun ay para sa street cars. O yung mga Roman din siya ba tawag doon? Yung mga street cars or yung para siyang bus na mayroong cable sa taas. Parang train. Pero isang bagon lang. Number 25, only street cars may make a left turn at the traffic signal as shown in the figure. So, this is true. Street cars may make left turn. So, yes. Kailangan stop muna yung iba kasi magli-left turn yung street cars. So, this is true. A vehicle, nakalagay dyan. Bus Yusen, priority for bus. A vehicle must not use a lane where there is a pavement markings as shown in the figure. When traffic congestion might prevent the vehicle from leaving the lane immediately if a local bus approaches. So, must not use the lane, a vehicle. Kasi, kung traffic dun sa, halimbawa dito sa lane na to, traffic, tapos papasok tayo dyan. And then, tapos pag pumasok na yung bus, hindi na makakalabas. Kasi traffic nga dito. So, kaya, a vehicle must not use a lane. So, yan. Must not use a lane. So, that is true. So, hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng priority lane for buses. Lalo na. At, kapag yung traffic ay kung congested yung traffic dito. At hindi ka makalabas. So, must not use the lane. So, ang tamang sagot natin ay true. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng gumamit dyan. Okay, ito na yung school zone. A driver must be careful when proceeding on a road where there is traffic sign as shown in the figure because children might suddenly run onto the road. So, this is true. Kasi school zone yan. Maraming mga bata dyan. So, kailangan careful tayo sa pagdadrive dyan. Okay, next. A vehicle, in principle, must not proceed on street car tracks. It is allowed to, however, when crossing street car tracks in order to make left or right turn or make a U-turn. So, pwede. Allowed naman, pero kapag liliko lang or magkocross. So, I think it's true. Must not proceed on street cars. So, hindi tayo pwedeng magpatakbo sa in principle sa mga street cars dun sa track niya. Pero, pwede rin kapag magkocross tayo. pwede rin kapag magko-cross doon sa, or magte-turn tayo ng left or right. So, this is true. I think true. Next. Bilisan natin. A vehicle must not change lanes or pass vehicles or mopeds for the purpose of overtaking at an intersection or within 30 meters before one, excluding cases when the vehicle is proceeding on a road with right of way. Must not change lane. Oh, kasi mayroong intersection. Okay. Must not change lane. So, this is true. Hindi ka pwede mag-change lane kapag malapit sa intersection. When overtaking a vehicle, may temporarily exceed the maximum speed limit displayed on the traffic signs or designated by regulations. So, I think hindi pwede. Kaya nga may speed limit kasi bawal lumagpas sa speed limit. So, hindi pwede. Kahit mag-overtaking, sa tingin ko, kahit mag-overtake ka, hindi ka pa rin pwedeng lumagpas sa speed limit. So, false. I think false. Okay, next. When a vehicle is attempting to change lanes and vehicle is approaching from behind, that vehicle should give way to the vehicle behind and not change lane. Okay, true. Kasi kung nauna na siyang mag-change lane, ikaw mag-change lane din. So hindi na pwede kasi nauna na siya. So kailangan bigyan mo siya ng daan. The car proceeding from the direction A ito. In the figure does not need to slow down. Bakit? Ito, stop siya. Yung B ay stop kasi tumari. Ito, hindi kailangan mag-slow down kasi mayroon tayong line dito. Ibig sabihin, yan yung priority lane. So, true ito. True. Yung direction ng A does not need to slow down kasi priority lane nga yan. Okay. On a slope, a vehicle traveling uphill should give way to the vehicle traveling downhill. A vehicle traveling uphill should give way to the vehicle traveling downhill. So, this is false. Kasi kapag may pataas sa pababa, ang kailangan mag-give way ay yung pababa. Kasi madaling magpababa kaysa magpataas. Kaya, kailangan mag-give way tayo sa mga paakyat na sasakyan. So, baliktad to, baliktad. So, kaya, false. Seatbelts can help a driver be in a suitable driving posture and lessen the driver's fatigue during driving. Yes, that's true. True. When changing to the left or right lane while proceeding in the same direction, when changing to the left or right lane while proceeding in the same direction, a driver is not required to give a signal because that is not executing left or right turn. Kapag nag-change lane ka, kailangan pa rin. So, required dapat. Hindi pwedeng not required, kundi required na mag-give ng signal. So, this is false. 36. When proceeding behind a vehicle, a driver must maintain enough distance. So, keep distance between vehicles so as to avoid colliding with the vehicle ahead if it stops suddenly. In that case, when the vehicles are proceeding faster, the distance must be larger. So, ganun. Kapag mabilis, mas laki dapat yung distance. So, this is true. Next. In separated lanes where there are pavement markings for the traffic direction as shown in the figure. So, may picture. Vehicles must proceed only in the direction designated by the markings. So, kailangan sundin natin yung mga arrow na yan, yung direction na yan. Okay, this is true. Vehicle must proceed only on the directions designated. True. This sign, so ito, crossroad yan, pedestrian crossing. This sign indicates that there is a pedestrian crossing ahead. So ito, pedestrian crossing, tsaka pedestrian crossing ahead, magkaiba. Kaya, ito ay false. Ito ay pedestrian crossing lang. Kapag yung ahead, mayroong symbol para doon, ibang symbol doon. Yun ay markings. Kaya ito ay false. Even when there are people getting off or on a streetcar at a streetcar stop where there is no safety zone, a vehicle may slow down, continue to proceed if there is a clearance of 1.5 meters. So dito, kapag mayroong nagbababa sa streetcars, so So, and then, walang safety zone. So, kailangan nating mag-stop. Vehicle may slow down. So, hindi, mali to kasi kailangan, vehicle must stop at padaanin muna yung mga sumasakay at bumababa sa streetcar. So, this is false. Okay, 5 minutes na lang. Mayroon pang 10 items. Oh my God, this sign indicates that turning right at an intersection is prohibited. So, hindi naman intersection. Hindi yata naglalagay ito ng, hindi yata nilalagay ito sa intersection. Kasi, the sign indicates that turning right at an intersection is prohibited. Turning right. Prohibited. Malito pa. I think prohibited. Intersection. Mali yata. I think false to. Kasi hindi yata nilalagay ito sa intersection. Iiwan. Basta. Yun yung sagot ko. A driver must not attempt to overtake when the vehicle ahead is about to change lane. For example, make a right turn. So, must not attempt kasi mag-overtake na nga yung isang nasa harap. Must not attempt. Okay. True. The hand signal shown in the figure means that the rider will make left turn to change on the left lane. So, yan. True. When making a left turn at an intersection, a driver must be careful because the rear wheel might hit the pedestrian, cyclist, and wheelbase differential due to wheelbase differential. Making a left turn. Okay, true. Kasi merong wheelbase differential. 44. A vehicle may cross to the right to a minimum extent when it cannot proceed to the left side of the road due to road constructions, road damage, or other similar situation. May cross to the right, minimum extent. Okay. True. This is true. Pwede naman pag may harang. All vehicles can proceed on the lane indicated by the sign. All vehicles? Dude, false. Kasi nga, para sa bus lang yan eh. Hindi pwedeng all vehicles. When there is school or kindergarten bus and children are getting on and off, a vehicle must slow down and pass the bus while paying attention. Children might suddenly ride onto the road. So, this is true. Kasi may bumababa nga, so slow down tayo sa bus. When you make left turn to leave the road, you should approach the left side of the road in advance and slow down. So, this is true. Kasi mag-turn left ka, so dun ka dapat sa gilid na left. Okay, this is true. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 questions or 3 questions. A vehicle facing, okay, ito nakakalito to. A vehicle facing this traffic light may turn right after stopping just before an intersection and paying attention to other traffic. May turn right after stopping just before an intersection. I think true. True. I think so. True. A driver must choose an appropriate vehicle speed according to the traffic or road conditions, climate, visibility, even when proceeding at speed within the designated speed limit. So, kailangan natin magpili ng appropriate vehicle speed limit. Depende kung maluwag ba yung traffic or basa ba or depende sa panahon or visibility. So, hindi tayo magpili ng appropriate na speed. So, this is true. Okay, last question. 1 minute. You must sound the horn when you pass the intersection, corner of a road, or top of a hill where its visibility is poor. No, false. Pag wala yung sign na horn, hindi naman kailangan mag-horn. Okay, nasagutan natin lahat, 1 to 50. And then, mayroon pang 1 minute na natira. Pero binilisan kasi natin. So, yun na. Pwede na natin i-end to, i-submit natin kung ilan yung score natin. Okay, so yan. So, i-submit natin para ma-check natin kung pasado ba tayo. Okay, yes. Complete. Uy! Yes, pasado tayo. Go Kaku, 96 points. Ibig sabihin, mayroon tayong dalawang mali. 50 na tanong, pero 48 lang yung nasagot natin. Yan. And then 29 minutes, mayroon natirang 1 minute. Okay, 96 points. Ito yung mali natin ay yung number 7 tsaka number 48. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mali natin. So, check natin yung Matsigatta Mundayo review. Review natin yung wrong na sagot. Dalawang mali. Number 7, a person who obtains a regular vehicle, a person who obtains only a regular driver's license may not ride large motorcycles or regular motorcycles. Regular driver's license may not ride. May not ride. Tama pala to. So, maro. Nalito ko dun sa ano, guys. So, tulad nitong mga ganitong tanong, kailangan talaga nating, intindihin masyado yung sentence. Kasi, yung not, tsaka may, tsaka may not, kapag nawala yan sa isip mo, sa tanong na yan, mali na yung sagot mo. Dahil nga dito, tulad nitong example na to, a person who obtains only regular driver's license may not ride a large size motorcycles or regular motorcycles. So, ganun naman talaga. Alam ko naman yun na magkaiba yung license para sa motor tsaka para sa kotse. Yun ang alam ko, nasabi ko rin yun kanina. Pero yung sinagot ko ay false. So, pag sinabi kong false yun, ibig sabihin, pwede pala yun. Na pareho lang pala yung license na yun. Pero, hindi talaga pareho yun. Kaya dapat, ang sinagot ko dito ay maro. Kasi nga, may not. Kasi, yung may driver license ng kotse, ay hindi pwedeng mag-drive ng motor. So, tama yung statement na to. Pero yung naisagot ko ay false. Kasi, nawala sa isip ko yung may not, yung not na to. Yan guys yung kailangan nating pag-ingatan. So, kaya kailangan nating basahin ulit-ulit, paulit-ulit yung tanong. Pag nabasa na natin yung tanong, basahin natin ulit bago tayo sumagot. Kasi, minsan pag nabasa natin, tapos inintindi natin, inisip natin yung tamang sagot, yung situation na tama. Tapos, pag hindi natin binasa ulit, magkakaroon ng pagkalito. Kasi yung tama talaga ay pag wala ito sa tanong na yan, pag halimbawa wala yan sa sentence na yan, ito yung sagot, but so false. Pero dahil mayroong ganito, pinag-reverse niya or pinag-negative niya yung statement, so kaya nalito tayo. So nakalagay dito, page 125 ng libro na ginagamit namin. People that hold such license may not ride large-sized motorcycles or regular motorcycle. So, may not ride. Ayan o. May not ride. Tulad nito, may not ride. Kaya, ito yung tamang sagot. Mali tayo. Mali ako. Mali pala ako. And then next, ito. Dito talaga ako nalilito sa, kung paano to. Nalilito ko. Hanggang ngayon hindi ko magets kung bakit ganito. Tapos ito kasi merong kanji dito. Yung, to. Au iro no 10. Anong kanji ito? 10. Nanto ka 10. Tenpi. Tenbi. Tenka. No? Yajirushi. Tenbi ba to? Tenbi. Tenpi. Basahin natin ulit. A vehicle facing this traffic light may turn right after stopping just before an intersection and paying attention to the other traffic. Ang sagot ko true. Kasi parang pwedeng mag-right turn. Kasi naka-right turn. Naka-right arrow. Kaya sagot ko true. Pero false daw siya. Bakit siya false? So, kung alam nyo guys yung sagot para dito, kung bakit, pwede nyo i-comment sa baba kung paano natin i-explain to. So, kasi hindi ko ma-explain kung bakit ganito. Kung paano to sagutan. Hindi ko ma-explain. So, i-comment nyo guys sa baba para malaman din natin. Malaman ko, malaman din ng ibang mga makakapanood nito. Basta, ito daw ay batsu. So, kailangan mong tandaan kapag lumabas to, batsu. A vehicle facing this traffic light may turn right. May turn right. So, tama naman yun. You may turn right kasi pa-right yung arrow. After stopping just before the intersection and paying attention to the other traffic. After stopping just before the intersection. Siguro, hindi na stopping. Ito yata yung ano dito. Keyword. After stopping just before the intersection. Basta, comment nyo na lang guys kung alam nyo yung sagot or explanation para dito. Okay guys, thank you. So, back tayo, Modoro. Importante na sagutan natin. So, pasado na naman tayo. So, back tayo sa top. Okay, yan guys, meron na tayong tamang sagot. Isa na lang dito. Pero ito sasagutan natin to. Okay, log out na tayo. Okay guys, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa test natin sa ngayon, sa ating practice test. So, nakapasa tayo sa practice test. Hindi ko lang alam kung sa actual test na makakapasa rin tayo agad. Pero at least, practice lang tayo ng practice sa mga ganitong klaseng test. So, mayroong 4 na set yung test na to. So, yung una, natapos ko na. And then, pangalawa to. And then, yung 3 tsaka 4, sasagutan ko pa yun sa susunod na mga videos. So, kaya, subscribe na kayo para sa mga susunod na videos. Okay guys, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.